So hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make an application which is made up of pure HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This application is used for checking the strength of the password. Here you can type your password and check its strength from weak, medium and strong. If you want the source code, it is present in the portfolio. The link of the portfolio will be given in the about section of the YouTube or the description of this video. So let's get started. So let's start our code by writing the HTML boilerplate code. Give the title, password strength, save it, and you write your capital P, save it. Here the title has been changed here. Link the CSS file. Here the CSS file has been linked. Here we have to import the Google font link for the pop-ins. For the web page, we have to give margin 0, padding will be 0, box sizing will be border box, and the font family will be pop-ins. Copy it and paste it here. Save it. Now let's go to the HTML page. In the body tag, first we have to take a class box. In the box tag, we have to take a h2 tag. Write here password strength, take a span tag. Write here check. Save it. After that, take an input tag. The input tag, the type will be password. Give the placeholder of enter your password. Enter your password. Save it. Now let's go ahead, take a div with class password strength. Password strength. Save it. Now let's go to the CSS file. In the CSS file, we have to give the CSS for the body tag. To the body tag, we have to give display flex, align item, center, justify content, center, and give minimum height of 100 VH. Give background of hash 333. Now we have to give the CSS for the class box. We have to give your position relative, width of 300 pixel. Then after that, we have to give height of 50 pixel. Save it. After that, we have to go for the h2 tag in the box. Dot box h2 tag. For the h2 tag, we have to give position absolute. Position will be absolute. Give top of -40 pixel. Font size of, by mistake, we have to give font size of 1.2 em, 25 em. Save it. And after this, we have to give color of #FFF. Give font weight of 500. Font weight of 500. Save it. You can check it. Now let's go ahead for the input tag, which is present in the box container. Dot box input tag. For the input tag, we have to give position absolute. Position will be absolute. Insert of 2 pixel. Give z index of 10. After that, give font size of 1 em. After that, we have to give border none, outline will be none. After that, give padding of 10 pixel and 15 pixel, 10 pixel and 15 pixel, save it. After that, we have to give the background of hash 333, hash 333, save it. We have to give background of hash 333, save it. The background have been changed here. Now let's go ahead. We have to give color of hash triple F. Let's check it. Okay, now let's go ahead for the password strength container, which is present in the box dot password strength. Position will be absolute. After that, give insert of 0, give background of hash 1115, save it. Now we have to give the CSS for the nth child of the password strength. Box password strength and child third. For this, we have to give filter of blur 5 pixel, and for child number 4, we have to give filter blur of 10 pixel. Save it. Now let's go for the JavaScript, which is the main part of this password strength checker. Take a script tag above the ending of body tag. In the script tag, first take let password input equals to document dot get element by id, that is password. Now let strength equals to document dot query selector all. We have to simply take a query selector, and that we have to take this class of password strength. We have to take this class here. Okay, now let's go ahead. Let text equals to document dot get element by id, document dot get element by id. We have to give your id of text. Okay, now let's go ahead. Get element by id, give your text, save it. Now let's go ahead for the make a function. We have to make a function here, password input dot add event listener input. Make a function here. In this function, you have to take an event. After that, let password equals to event dot target dot value. Now after that let strength equals to mat dot min. Have to take a min function, then check the length of the password. Check the length, it should be 12. Now next, minimum length should be 12. Now take let degree for the degree, for degrees for the gradient, strength multiply by 30. Now let's go for the gradient. Let gradient color equals to strength less than equals to 4. Then our color will be hash double F to C1C, else if our strength is less than or equal to 8, then our color will be hash double F 9800, else our color will be hash 12 double F12. Save it. Now in the same way we have to give for the text color, for strength text strength, okay, strength text. If our strength is our length is less than 4, then the password will be weak. Then next, if the strength is less than equals or equals to 8, then the password will be medium. And in the last, if the strength is greater than 8, then it will be strong. Save it. Now let's go ahead. Password strength, style dot password strength dot style dot background. Okay, I'll write here L password strength dot style dot background equals to, take two backticks and write here conic gradient of dollar gradient color, copy it and paste it here, gradient color. Then next will be our degree, copy the degree. There should be not any mistakes in the spellings, so first check that and write here degree and comma hash 111 and give you a 0, then write here dollar degree and in the end write here degrees. Save it. Now let's go ahead, take text content equals to strength text, and the next text dot style dot color will be equals to gradient color. Okay, save it. Now let's check our application is working or not. Type your password. You can see that our application is working. Close it and go live. Here you can see that our application is working properly. So please like this video, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share it. Thank you.